I'm about to show you 10 AI websites that will completely change your productivity in 2025. These tools can save you hours, help you earn more, and honestly, after you see number 3, your jaw will drop. Welcome to Fenot AI, and if you love staying ahead of the AI revolution, make sure you hit like and subscribe, because here you get the tools everyone else learns too late. Let's jump in. 10. Gamma.app. Create presentations in seconds. Imagine this. You type your idea and boom! Gamma turns it into a clean, modern, professional presentation. Automatically, no more aligning text, no more picking colors, no more wasting hours on slides. You can create pitch decks, client proposals, school projects, everything in seconds. Why it's powerful for 2025. AI-based presentations are becoming standard, and Gamma is leading the game with templates that actually look expensive. 9. Opus Clip. Turn long videos into viral shorts. If you want to grow on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, this site is gold. You upload a long video, Opus Clip finds the most viral moments, edits them, adds captions, formats everything. It's like having a full video editing team for free. Why it matters. Short-form video is dominating 2025. People who post 20-plus shorts a month grow 4 times faster. This tool makes that effortless. 8. Leonardo AI. The free Photoshop on steroids if you need. Product images, thumbnails, textures, concept art, marketing posters. Leonardo creates all of them instantly. One and looks better than most paid tools. Why it's crazy good. It's free, fast, and gives you commercial use images. Perfect for designers, dropshippers, marketers, and YouTubers. 7. ElevenLabs. The most realistic voice. AI, let's be honest, most AI voices still sound robotic. But ElevenLabs, this thing sounds human. Deep voices, energetic voices, emotional voices, character voices, everything. You'll hear it and think it's a real actor. Why everyone uses it? You can create voiceovers, audiobooks, TikTok narrations, YouTube videos, all without ever recording your voice. 6. Perplexity. AI, the smartest search engine. Sorry, Google. Perplexity doesn't just give you links like Google. It gives you direct answers. Ask it for business ideas, travel plans, research summaries, step-by-step tutorials. It responds instantly and pulls data from real sources. Why it's important? In 2025, learning fast matters. Perplexity will save you weeks of Googling. 5. Notion AI, your brain's digital upgrade. Think of Notion AI as your personal project manager, writing assistant, business planner, daily organizer, knowledge center. It can write emails, rewrite content, plan your schedule, organize your goals, brainstorm new projects. Notion plus AI equals productivity on autopilot. 4. Pika Labs. Generate full videos from text. This one feels illegal. You type a prompt, and Pika creates a full cinematic video. No actors, no camera, no editing, just AI. Imagine creating ad videos, intros, movie-like scenes, futuristic animations, and doing it in minutes. 3. To script and edit video by editing text. This is mind-blowing. Imagine editing your video like editing a Word document. Delete a word, video cuts automatically. Remove gone everywhere. Replace a line, Descript recreates your voice. For YouTubers, it's a cheat code. 2. Durable.co. Build a website in 30 seconds. You click Generate Website, and it creates the full layout. All the text, images, services, contact section colors. Everything you edit what you want, and publish. Perfect for freelancers, small businesses, and anyone who doesn't have the time or money to hire a web developer. 1. ChatGPT, the king of AI tools. And number 1, of course, is ChatGPT. You can use it for writing, research, content creation, business planning, coding, decision-making, brainstorming, marketing, video ideas, literally everything. If you learn to use ChatGPT well in 2025, you become unstoppable. Final message. Stay ahead or stay behind. These 10 AI tools will save you hours, help you create faster, make your work look 10 times better, open new income opportunities, and keep you ahead of everyone else. If you want more videos like this and you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, hit like, subscribe to Fenot AI comment. Part 2 if you want to follow up. because next week I'm dropping 10 more AI tools that nobody is talking about yet. Stay sharp, stay creative, and stay ahead with Fenot AI. See you in the next video.